Hi, and welcome back to MyExcelOnline.com. Today we are going to show you how to find duplicate data in Microsoft Excel. So by the end of this video, you should be able to highlight in red any values that have a duplicate in a data set. Also, we will have some additional training options for you at the end of this video, so stick around for that. So let's say I have a set of data. I have some names right here, and I want to know if I've entered some of my data twice. If I highlight my data set, and then on the home ribbon, go over here to conditional formatting, and select the first option, highlight cell rules. There's an option down here for duplicate values. So if I click on that, I can highlight any duplicates with any color that I pick. But right now the default is light red with dark red text. So let's just go with that one and say OK. If you are liking this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button to get notified when we release our weekly videos. Now keep in mind, when duplicates are highlighted, all instances of that duplicate are highlighted. So I can see in here that I have Dwight Schrute in here twice. I have Michael Scott in here twice. I have Jim Halpert in here twice, and I have Pam Beasley in here twice, as well as a couple other names. So if I were to click in 10 right here where there's one instance of Michael Scott, watch what happens down here in row 24. That Michael Scott is no longer in red because Excel has only found one instance of that name. Now there are some quick ways to get rid of all of your duplicates, and we go over that and more out on our blog. And I'm going to include a link to our blog entry in the description below on YouTube if you would like to go there and learn more. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them for us and we'll get back to you. Thanks for watching, and see you again next time. If you want to learn more about Microsoft Excel and Office, join our Academy online course and access more than 1,000 video training tutorials so that you can advance your level and get the promotions, pay raises, or new jobs. The link to join our Academy online course is in the description.
If you like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you're really serious about advancing your Microsoft Excel skills so you can stand out from the crowd and get the jobs, promotions and pay rises that you deserve, then click up here and join our Academy online course today.